Hello, my name is Ingrid Sanchez, a teaching artist at the Norton Museum of Art. Today I'm going to share a collage inspired by Mickalene Thomas's Naomi Looking Forward. This image is a reproduction of the work in the Norton Collection. In her paintings, the artist uses rhinestones, paint, as well as photos to create new compositions. Her process relates to collage. Materials you'll need for this activity are magazine cutouts, glue sticks, regular glue, decorative paper, markers, variety of buttons, poster board paper. You can start by cutting out images and decorative paper. Then you can start assembling. And now you may choose to add buttons. You can use markers. And here's the final piece. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for other videos.